Okay, so we're going to have a look at another question. This one comes from the 2023 HSC Standard 2 paper. This is question 18. So we're shown a histogram. A histogram shows a summary of scores on a test. Provide two features of the histogram that indicate that the data comes from a normal distribution. So we essentially need to tell the markers why this looks like a normal distribution. So the first thing we can say is it's symmetrical, right? So symmetrical. We know that normal distributions are symmetrical. So this is symmetrical. So that's the first thing we can mention. The other thing is the score in the middle, 49.5, is equally far from the tails. So it's 30 higher than the lowest tail. It's 30 under the upper tail. And it's the most common score, right? So the middle score is also the most common, and it's the average. It's also the average. So this tells us that the mean is equal to the median is equal to the mode. They're all equal in this case. We know that the middle score is the mean because all the data around it is symmetrical, right? So any scores below cancel with scores above. And that's true for the 39s, the 59s, the 29s, 69s, 19s, 79s. They all cancel in the average. So the average will be about 49.5. The mode is definitely 49.5. The median will have to be about 49.5 as well. That's what we have in a normal distribution, right? Normal distribution has median equal to mean equal to mode. That's what we see here. Normal distribution is symmetrical. This is symmetrical. So this is pretty much a type of normal distribution. And these are the kinds of pieces of information you need to get the 2 marks. So for 1 mark, you have to correctly provide one of the pieces of information. For 2 marks, you need to provide 2 pieces of information, and they have to be relevant.